What if I gave ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini the exact same prompt and asked them to build a complete business website? Not just a landing page. A real website with modern design, mobile responsiveness, professional copy, clean code, production-ready quality. Assuming I'm a layman and can just write a simple prompt on the basic free tier of each model. Here's the challenge. I'm going to give all three models the same prompt. Build a modern website for a digital marketing agency. The website should include hero section, services, testimonials, about us, contact form, and mobile responsive design. Then we'll compare the results and find out how close each one is to a production-ready website. First up, ChatGPT produced a functional website quickly. The structure is good. The sections are all present, but not production-ready. The design feels slightly less refined. The code works. The responsiveness is acceptable, but the overall user experience isn't quite at the same level. Next is Claude. Claude tends to shine when generating larger code bases and structured projects. The design is surprisingly polished. Animations are smoother. The code organization is excellent. In fact, Claude often explains its decisions better than other models, making future edits easier. The overall website feels closer to something a developer would actually maintain. Finally, Gemini. The design looks professional. The layout feels modern and clean. The sections are organized well. The responsiveness is solid and the styling is consistent across sections. However, there are a few generic elements that would still need customization before deploying to a real client. But let's make things harder. Asked all three models to add dark mode, pricing section, FAQ section, and smooth animations. And here's where things got interesting for free models. ChatGPT did it functional again. Gemini did a great job, but Claude's free tier didn't allow it first, but at the end did it. So which AI wins? My final verdict is number 1 Claude. Great design, production readiness, and superb code quality. Number 2 Gemini. Easy to use, ready to deploy, and balanced visuals. Number 3 ChatGPT. Balanced foundation but needs tweaks. Claude rocked the game. If you're building websites in 2026, the word is faster and easier. If you want more AI battles like this, subscribe to Vyrix and comment below which AI you think will dominate coding by the end of 2026.